Alright, so this is the ZIYOU Lang M7 esports mouse. It comes in several different colors. Looks like red, black, white, or yellow. I picked the red one because it was $10.99 on Amazon. The yellow was the same price, but the black and white were a little bit more. It does have the Pixart 3325 sensor. It has a 1,000 hertz polling rate, or up to 100,000 hertz. It's very lightweight. It only weighs about 79 grams. It does have 26 backlighting effects. You can get up to 100. I mean, up to 12,000 DPI. It's pretty good mouse. I've been using it for gaming here for like a week or so, and I would say it's doing pretty good. It's that sensor's pretty good. It has a 50 million button lifetime on the. It says ZIYOU. I don't know if that's like Wano or whatever. I don't know. I couldn't find any software for this mouse. That's one minor issue there. Other than that, though, it's very pretty. It's very lightweight. Seems to be pretty average in the looks of it and everything, but it works out pretty good. I haven't had any issues with it. I think I would recommend it for sure. Like I say, for $10.99, you're definitely getting your money's worth with this mouse. As you can see here, fits real nice in the hand. I have really large hands, in case you can't tell, and it fits really good. I have absolutely no issues there either. Do a little gaming here, just mostly just to show you guys, how well it moves around, and the skates are pretty good on this. Everything looks really good. I would highly recommend it. The RGB's pretty on it. Like I say, it's nothing to write home about necessarily, but it is pretty good. Now let's take a listen to these clicks right quick. So yeah, I mean, for value, definitely you cannot beat that for $10.99. So that's definitely a 5 stars. Build, 4 stars. It ain't perfect, but it's pretty nice. And overall, that gets it about a 4.5. So I definitely do appreciate everybody watching, and like I said, I got plenty more to show you guys. Plenty more reviewing to do. Just stay tuned and click that like and subscribe and notifications and all that other good stuff, whatever it is. And we'll catch you on the next one.